My name is Jillian Modzeleski, and I am an attorney with Brooklyn Defender Services. I met a woman in arraignments, and she only had a fugitive warrant. And a fugitive warrant is when another state has issued an arrest warrant for you, and under the law, other states will hold you in order for the other state to come and pick you up and then bring you down and prosecute you. When I was talking to her, she was terrified. She said to me, I just can't go back there. He's back there. He will kill me if I go back there. And her family had finally raised enough money to buy her a bus ticket. And so she got on that bus and she took off without talking to her probation officer. So I kept on talking to her, and it turns out that she had been trafficked and that the man that she was fearful of was her trafficker. I called this probation officer. I had a conversation with her. I said, look, this is her story. She was a victim of trafficking. She was there with her children. And when you have an opportunity to leave, you take it. And that's what she did. And you can't punish her for that. You cannot make her come back there and sit in jail because she was protecting herself and her kids. It must have been the luckiest day because I got such a nice probation officer, and she said, let me see what I can do. And she herself called the judge and said, we can't do this, we can't bring her back. And they ended up just dismissing her probation in the state and dismissing the fugitive warrant, and I was able to go to court and say, you're getting out and you're not going back down there. And it was just, she cried, I cried, and it was that moment that I felt, this is what I need to do. I need to keep on doing this work because of her and the hundreds of other women like her that I'll see tomorrow and next week and next month. And it was great. And she's doing so well. She has her kids, and you know, it was just, I felt so good. I think the world of sex trafficking has been conflated with sex work, and it's just sort of a salacious topic that nobody really wants to talk about. I think there's a lot of misunderstanding out there about sex work and about trafficking. I think that decriminalization of sex work would really help to sort of free up law enforcement to concentrate on what is really important.